Hi everyone, Dr. Luke Peterson here with the Knee Replacement Therapist. Wanted to hop on and post a quick video for all of you talking about knee extension or knee straightening range of motion. So this is something I'm going to go into a little more in depth with a video later this week, showing some exercises and some more strategies related to it. But I just wanted to post a quick video to tell you why knee extension is so important. A lot of people, they really focus on the knee flexion, it seems like, and the knee bending, trying to get to that knee flexion number. I don't know why. I think it's a little more, you can see the improvements a little better, and it's a little more fun to get, see how high you can get your flexion number compared to, get to zero and you're done. That's knee extension. But knee extension is actually tremendously important, just like the flexion range of motion. And actually, it's probably more important to get full knee extension and knee straightening after surgery than it is for the flexion. So, why is it so important? Well, for one, it's really important for your mechanics, for your everyday activities and your biomechanics. So, especially with walking and gait, you really need that full knee extension to have a good gait pattern, a good heel strike when you first touch the ground, and being able to walk with a good pattern. And having that good pattern can help um, decrease your risk of having other problems. People talk about sometimes they have that hip pain or that back pain. That could be made worse sometimes if you have a bad gait pattern. So you really want to focus on the knee extension in that regard. Another reason that knee extension is really important in knee straightening is that it's a very good indicator of what your long-term outcome is going to be from your knee replacement surgery. So for individuals who are able to achieve full knee range of motion very shortly, within a few days or week or so after surgery, they have a really good prognosis of having a good outcome and a good recovery, both functionally and physically, from their knee replacement in the long term. For someone who has what we call an extension lag, so that means you are unable to achieve that full extension, that full knee straightening, either passively with someone helping you or um, actively with doing it yourself by tightening your muscles and contracting your muscles. If you have that extension lag, it's actually can be a sign of having a poorer long-term outcome from knee replacement surgery. So, two reasons why it's really important to really work on that knee extension range of motion. The goal is typically to get to 0 degrees, which means you're able to get perfectly straight, get the knee and leg perfectly straight. If you look at normal, healthy individuals, healthy knees, people are usually normal is actually more than hyperextended a little bit, about 3 degrees, 5 degrees hyperextended is actually normal in the healthy knee, healthy population. But after knee replacement surgery, our goal is definitely to get to 0 degrees, knee completely straight. So I'm definitely going to go into that a little bit more and ways to help achieve that 0 degree knee extension. But one thing I want to tell you and point out is something I see a lot is people will put after surgery, they'll put a pillow and they'll fold up a pillow and they'll put it right under their knee. And this is because they're probably in a lot of pain, and that's a lot more comfortable to have your knee in that kind of position with the pillow under it supporting it. But you actually have the knee in this bent position, and that's not helping to kind of increase your motion and break up that scar tissue and that early scar tissue. We actually want to keep the knee straight when you're relaxing and laying down and resting. So one way is to either just not use a pillow completely and just let the leg lay straight and flat on the bed or the couch or wherever you are. Or what you could do is if you take the pillow and you just put it kind of the long way or parallel to the leg and lay it across the whole kind of the knee and the lower leg, that allows you to have a little bit of support of the pillow, but at the same time keeping the knee straight or as straight as you can. All right, so that's a little teaser, a little intro on knee extension range of motion and why it's so important. And later on this week, I'll post a more in-depth video with a lot of some exercises and things you can do to really maximize and work on your knee range of motion, knee extension range of motion. All right, thank you everyone. Take care.